Next, we are focusing on how to process payroll. Payroll processing is an essential business function that involves arriving at the net pay of the employees after the adjustment of necessary taxes and deductions. For an efficient payroll management, process payroll working is very important. For this, go to Payroll menu, click on Process Payroll. To process a payroll, first select the branch, then month, then click on List. Here only attendance verified employees data will come. We can process payroll individually and in bulk. Here we are having option to select employee. If you want to select a particular employee and process payroll, you can select from here. Next, you are having include tax option. As the detail entered in TDS form, if the employee having tax deductions, when you are giving include tax as S, TDS will automatically come in payroll. To process individually, put a tick mark here and click on process button. And if you want to process in bulk, put a tick mark near employee name and click on process button. By clicking on process button, this data will go to process tab. So, payroll work is completed. Here, we can see the payroll process employees details, working days, loss of pay, monthly CTC, gross salary, net salary, etc. To see the view slip, click here. Here we can see the employee salary detail, head of monthly earnings, head for deduction, net pay, CTC, etc. Here you can see the uploaded variables. If you have set it OT as automatically, it will come here. We have already discussed how to set OT and upload variables. If payroll is processed only, we can get the salary data. If you want to add or remove any entry, remove option is available. For this, select an employee, then click on remove button. If payroll is approved, it can't be edited or removed. It will be shown in green color. Here, we are having option to select employee. Like this, by one click, you can process payroll. Thank you.